Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. In this week's episode, we'll be exploring the rich flavors of Middle Eastern cuisine, and we'll be featuring two recipes, a savory hummus with meat dip, and a sweet treat known as Canafe. So keep on watching! Let's first create the main dish, which is called hummus with meat. We use 2 cans of chickpeas, and to remove the skins, we soak the chickpeas in a bowl of water and gently rub them until the skins came off. Then afterwards, blanch the peeled chickpeas in boiling water and wash till it cools down. Then, in a food processor or blender, add the chickpeas, tahini, garlic, olive oil, squeeze of lemon, salt, and ice cubes. Process it for 4 minutes or more until creamy consistency, while also adding ice cubes every 30 seconds. When making hummus, adding ice cubes can transform its texture. As you blend all the ingredients, the ice cubes release tiny air bubbles, similar to the process of beating egg whites or churning ice cream. This action allows the blender to break down the ice and infuse the hummus with air, resulting in a light and fluffy consistency. In between, you can taste and adjust the salt, lemon, tahini, and olive oil per your taste preference. Afterwards, you can just set it aside. Now let's prep the meat. So put a little olive oil on the pan and saute the onions and garlic until cooked. And then add the meat. We use ribeye steak, but you can also use another tender cut of beef. Season it with 7-spice mix, salt, and pepper to taste. Hummus is best served with pita bread, so you can also heat that up. Now let's finally assemble. So put a bed of hummus on the plate. Add the meat on the center. And garnish with sumac, olive oil, and chopped parsley. And there you have it! A super quick and easy hummus recipe, topped with flavorful tender meat for an extra layer of deliciousness. Now it's finally time to make the Canafe. So let's start by making the sweet syrup. So place a saucepan under low heat and add 6 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 6 tablespoons of honey. It is very important to dissolve the sugar first before the mixture comes to a boil so that the sugar will not crystallize once the syrup cools down. Then take a round Canafe pan or any shallow cooking pan and brush butter thoroughly. Next is to separate the strands of shredded phyllo pastry by hand into small pieces. Add soft or melted butter and gently rub the butter into the strands of the phyllo pastry until all strands are covered with butter. Put half of the buttered shredded dough on the pan just until it is fully covered and spread evenly on the bottom of the pan. Press the dough downward and along the side to make a perfect round compact dough. Then add the chopped pistachio on top of the dough, leaving out 2 centimeters from the side. Spread the cream cheese on top of the pistachio and then add mozzarella cheese also. Make sure to leave 2 centimeters from the side to avoid the fillings oozing out of the dough when cooked. Then cover it up with the remaining half of the Canafe pastry. You can either bake this or cook it on the stove until both sides are golden brown. And then once cooked, you can now pour the sweet syrup evenly on top and serve hot. And there you have your Canafe, a sweet and cheesy treat that's perfect to end a meal. And this concludes our 31st episode. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through Middle Eastern cuisine. We hope these recipes inspired you to explore new flavors and bring the joy of cooking into your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!